Rocquel and Zach are at home, so he doesn't take the stupid bus. Buses are stupid.
I hate the bus.
Buses are bad.
All these little 6th graders who don't know how to curse yet decide that they're going to try anyway. It's a shame.
Yeah, damn haters. Hello. Me again.
People love you, Daddy.
I know.
Such a lovable person.
I am. Anybody ever come up with the answer for the turkey shit? Turkey smell? Smelling ass?
I know it. I never got a response for that. No? You never answered us, Internet.
Yeah, no internet.
We might have to have Google answer it for us.
Yeah, we might have to Google that.
We're gonna Google turkey ass.
So we're gonna Google.
Smells.
Hey, Internet. As you saw, I took Zach home, and now I'm editing. Zach, I messaged him, and I know people posted about it on Facebook. He was so amazingly strong today. He is like, he's already my best friend, and now he's like my idol because he handled everything so well, and he's a really strong and amazing person. So that was just, he always amazes me. You know, he handled today so well, so much grace, and it was so good to see everyone in green. There was lots of green floating around, and that was good. It just felt long. Hey, Internet, it's like 9 o'clock. I came into my room to get some construction paper to make flashcards for a bio test I have tomorrow. I always make flashcards, I don't know why. I find it easier. I can just shove them somewhere and study them. Don't carry on paper, the paper. I fell asleep for a couple hours. Ugh. I'm so tired. I was up late last night talking to Zach and all that jazz. We had a FaceTime sleepover, and you know, the nights before weren't really much better. Spinning. I need to find construction paper. Oh, and I meant to tell you, yesterday I was talking about how I didn't have a TV. The TV's of shame. Okay, well, I used to have this TV, which was sucky, so Zach gave me this TV, which decided to not work. So now I'm TV-less. Whoops. I was like, so you probably couldn't see, so I figured I'd explain that while I was here, and we need footage. Cake and strawberries for dinner, which I dropped upside down. Whoops. Not bad. I just didn't feel like eating real food, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna have cake. And it's wish results time. Team Amber. I can't believe Michelle Shamuel got saved again. She drives me nuts.
Michelle Shamwow.
Shamuel. She's gonna go home, and of course everyone loves her. She's probably gonna win. Watch. Not only am I going to try to lift up this TV, because we're putting the old one back because I need a TV. It's too quiet in here. I don't even watch TV. No, I want to because it's quiet, and the quiet is bothering me, so not only am I going to try to lift this TV up, I'm going to try to put it here, which is all dusty and gross, and I'm going to figure out the cables and wires and things. Not techie savvy. So I lifted the TV up, but now, problem is, the dilemma is that the wire is stuck on like the pluggy thing. Psh, I know my terms. The thing is stuck on the TV. And you would think the vlogging had prepared me for this, because you know how many things I have to do one-handed? Like I would have to lift up the TV and pull the wire out. Well, it's kind of like vlogging. I mean, you have to film, and remember like the first vlog when I couldn't film and open a water bottle? Remember? You remember. Day one. You'd think I'd be prepared for this, but I'm not. I cannot lift the TV with one hand. It's heavy. It's really heavy. So I did it, but it constantly makes this buzzing noise, which I hated this before, and it freaks me out crazy and slowly off the cable box off. Do you hear that? Is that normal? That is not normal. This is making me uncomfortable. Try this thing off. That's weird. Why does it do that? I'm afraid to like blow up. It's like older than I am, so I really wouldn't be surprised. To get me to not sleep in like near the TV when I would sleep over at my grandfather's house. I was like a kid. Told me how his friend, like his TV exploded, and I've been afraid of that ever since. It was like an old TV or whatever, and now it's doing that, and yeah, never mind. I think we're better off without a TV, Internet.
Well, I'm not as fortunate as Rocquel. You know what? It's probably better this way. I don't have that flash thingy to make it look all bright, so I'm just gonna do, a dark one because it's like 1:30 or whatever, 2 o'clock in the morning, and I can't fall asleep. And I'm doing FaceTime sleepover, and I don't feel like turning on the light. And I feel just wanted a little update on how I've been doing. I'm doing a little bit better. I basically just came home today and I slept until 9:30, 10 o'clock. So that's probably why I can't fall asleep and I'm not tired right now, but whatever. But, I just wanted to thank all of you and see you tomorrow in the next one. Goodbye and good night. Wow.
It may or may not be 1 o'clock in the morning. Whoopsie. Sorry, it's dark here. You're gonna be looking at the clock the whole time, so I have some sort of light. It's actually on my face now, but you'd never probably be able to tell. Um, just talking to Zach. We're gonna have another FaceTime sleepover. And yeah, that's today's vlog. Ta-da! I know, like I told you, just bear with us. We are appreciating and loving all your support and stuff through the difficult times. I know it's a lot of me. I'm sick of looking at me. I'm sick of watching me. So I cannot wait to get Zach back a little bit more into the vlogs. That's it. Day 74. I can't believe we've been doing this for 74 days. It's crazy. It's going by so fast. I love making these every day. They mean the world to me, and I know they mean the world to Zach too. So, that's all for me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Sorry, looking in the darkness.